Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today we begin the classification of Arthropoda, the largest phylum of animals. Arthropods are everywhere: insects, crabs, and spiders. In this episode, we'll learn their main groups: crustaceans, insects, myriapods, and arachnids, with features important for exams. If you missed their Salient Features episode, check the link in the description and pinned comments. Let's get started. Let's talk about the major classes of Arthropoda. Arthropoda is divided into many classes. Insects are the largest, with 3 pairs of legs and usually 2 pairs of wings. Crustaceans are mostly aquatic, with 2 pairs of antennae and gills for breathing. Arachnids, like spiders and scorpions, have 4 pairs of legs but no antennae. Myriapods, such as millipedes and centipedes, have long bodies with many legs. An ancient group, Myriapoda, includes the king crab, a living fossil. Let's talk about class Insecta or Hexapoda. Insects are the largest group of animals on Earth, with over 1 million species. Their body has 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. They usually have 3 pairs of legs and most have 2 pairs of wings. Insects breathe through tracheae and excrete using Malpighian tubules. Their blood system is open, and they have well-developed antennae and compound eyes. They reproduce sexually with internal fertilization, and development can be direct or indirect. Examples are cockroach, butterfly, mosquito, and honeybee. Now, let's talk about class crustaceans. Crustaceans are mostly aquatic arthropods, living in seas and freshwater. Their body has 2 parts, cephalothorax and abdomen, covered by a hard exoskeleton, often with calcium. Their legs are biramous, meaning they branch into 2. They breathe using gills and have an open blood system. Excretion happens through green or antennal glands. They reproduce sexually, and most develop indirectly with anoplious larvae. Examples include crabs, lobsters, prawns, barnacles, and cyclops. Let's talk about class Arachnida. Arachnids are primarily terrestrial arthropods. Their body is divided into a cephalothorax and abdomen. They possess 1 pair of chelicerae for capturing food, 1 pair of pedipalps for sensory and feeding purposes, and 4 pairs of walking legs. Respiration occurs through book lungs or tracheae. Their excretory system includes Malpighian tubules and coxal glands. Most have simple eyes, and reproduction is sexual with direct development. Spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites are the best-known examples of this class. Let's talk about class Myriapoda. Myriapods are land-dwelling arthropods with a head and a long segmented trunk. They have 1 pair of antennae, 1 pair of jaws, and many legs. They breathe through tracheae and excrete using Malpighian tubules. Centipedes and millipedes are common examples. Centipedes are poisonous and have 1 pair of legs per segment, while millipedes are harmless and have 2 pairs of legs per segment. Let's quickly recap the major classes of Arthropoda. First class is insects or Hexapoda have head, thorax, and abdomen, with 3 pairs of legs and 1 pair of antennae. Second class is crustaceans have a cephalothorax and abdomen, 2 pairs of antennae, and many legs. Third class is arachnids also have a cephalothorax and abdomen, with 4 pairs of legs but no antennae. Fourth class is myriapods have a head and a long trunk with many segments, each having 1 or 2 pairs of legs. Examples are cockroach and butterfly for insects, crab and prawn for crustaceans, spider and scorpion for arachnids, and centipede and millipede for myriapods. Here's your another challenge question for today. Which of the following statements is correct about the classes of Arthropoda? Is it option A? Arachnids have 2 pairs of antennae and 4 pairs of legs. Is it option B? Crustaceans have gills and 2 pairs of antennae. Is it option C? Myriapods have 3 body segments and 6 legs. Or is it option D? Hexapods have book lungs and no antennae. Comment your answers or send them to us on WhatsApp or Instagram. That's all for today's episode on classification of Arthropoda. I hope you understood the diversity of this largest phylum. If you found this useful, do like, share, and subscribe, and check out the Animal Kingdom playlist for detailed lecture. The link is in the description. In the next episode, we'll learn the classification of Mollusca, from chitons to octopuses and their special features. Don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQ series, also linked in the description. See you in the next episode.